I am not a lizard, but keep the high quality comments coming.
Oh wait, we're actually doing a Mac video today, so sorry, ThinkPad. Cat in your Touchbar, all you have to do is visit this GitHub repo, touchbar_NyanCat, and the link's going to be in the description. Then you just scroll down here, you'll see the whole README, but basically all you have to do is download it. So we'll go here and download it really quick. Save file. Okay, so desktop, all we're gonna do is extract it real quick. Where is it? I'll just double tap. Extracting, it'll extract the actual Nyan bar application. All you have to do is open it. Just hit OK. Oh shoot. Open. OK, and then open. And then there you go. You should start seeing a NyanCat pop up in your touch bar. And the music playing. You could also just hit or mute the music. So yeah, it's pretty. What's the point of this video? Not much really, just to use your touch bar to show NyanCat pretty much.